Hello students. In today's lecture of R, I am going to discuss about if-else statement. The title is if-else statement in R. Suppose we have to check whether the person is eligible to vote or not using if-else statement. Check whether a person is eligible to vote or not. Suppose this one is the title of the program. We have to enter one value from user side. Let the variable is, then read line prompt is equal to enter age of the person. This one is the first variable. Then we have to convert this value into integer as dot integer is. Then after converting this one, print paste welcome your age is. Here you can write is. Let's execute the program up to this point. First of all, save one is dot r. Enter the age of the person. Let the age is 23. Then conversion into integer. Then displaying of the content. Welcome, your age is 23. Now you have to apply if condition. If age greater than equal to 18. Suppose this one is the condition. Then print paste congrats, you are eligible for voting, else print paste you are not eligible to vote. Let's execute this step. If age is equal to greater than equal to 18, then okay. Look at the output now. Congrats, you are eligible for voting. Because I have entered already, the age is equal to 23. Suppose I am entering another age. Let's execute the program again. First condition, enter the age. Suppose age is equal to 12. Then again execute the program. Welcome, your age is 12. Then the next step, if Then else condition, sorry, you are not eligible to vote. Suppose I am entering some negative value. Again execute the program. Suppose I am entering a negative value minus 21. Welcome, your age is minus 21. This one is not appropriate. This one is okay. But this point is not appropriate. Now, for that, what we have to do? Suppose I am deleting this one. Again applying one condition. If or you can write here else if is less than equal to 0. Please enter the correct is. Please enter the correct is. And then else condition. Here you can write print paste sorry, you are not eligible. According to your programming talent, you can change. Now save the program and execute again. Suppose I am entering minus 11 here. Now apply the condition. Look at this one. Please enter the correct age. Now you can control the negative value also. One more thing you can do. If the age is appropriate, you can write here print paste welcome, your age is, you can display here age. Now again execute the program. First one, suppose I am entering 41. Look at this one. Now the output is welcome, your age is 41. Congrats, you are eligible for voting. In this program, we learn about how to enter any data or any value from user side. Then if this value is in the form of integer, you have to convert that value into integer. Then applying if condition, we can display the data accordingly. And using paste, you can combine or concatenate two contents. One is the static content and second one is the dynamic content entered from the user side. And then else if condition and else condition means multiple conditions can be handled as per similar to C, C++ or Java language. Or in the console, you can find the output accordingly. Positive value, negative value. In case of negative value, you can print, please enter the correct age. In case of positive value, two conditions are there. One is greater than equal to 18 or second one is if the age is less than 18, the person is not eligible. Thanks for watching my video.